Hello, good day everyone. I'm Ilan and Elpark. My mother, Miss Park. And I'm third year Bible school student now. And I'm 30 years old. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Leah Grace and I'm a first year student and I'm glad to see you and welcome to Freedom.
Hi, my name is Ami. I'm 25 years of age and fourth year students in Bible School. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Lilio. I'm 31 years old, also Bible school student, third year. And just call me Gio.
Hi, I'm Marjorie Nakandakal, 20 years old, and also Bible School student, third year. And just call me Inday.
Hi, my name is John Paul Tagalog, 21 years old. But just call me Juba.
Hello, I'm Jean Diana Antonio. I'm just call me Diana. I'm 20 years old.
Hello everyone, my name is Ella, first year student and 19 years old, and welcome you all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nabla and I'm currently fourth year student at Bible School and nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hello everyone, my name is Jairus Navarasa, just call me JR, and I am 19 19 years old. Nice to meet you all. My name is Loreto, and my nickname is Koi Koi, and I'm 21, fourth grade, and I'm so grateful to meet you all.
Hello. Good morning everyone. My name is Ivan Genji. You can call me Ivan, and I'm first year student, and I'm glad that you are all here. Please enjoy being here in the world. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Green Green. I am 23 years old. I'm 23 years old and a second year student. 안녕하세요. 저는 Angelina, 18 years old, first year student.
Good morning. So my name is Kenneth. Just call me Ken. So I'm 23 years old and second year student. God bless.
Good morning everyone.
My name is Bartolome. But just call me Bart. I am 21 years old.
Hello everyone. Hi. So my name is Miss May, but it's so long, right? So you can call me MM. And I'm not a Bible school student, but I'm an SFC alumni. I'm also the former SFC president of Iloilo. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Well, good morning everyone. I am Vishya Fortuna and I am 24 years old, and I am also a former Iloilo SFC officer and I am currently studying at Iloilo Science and Technology University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and I am 4th year student. So, thank you.